Hey guys, so me and my dad just kind of decided to do a last minute adventure, unplanned. We're gonna go try to run all the way up to Bell's Canyon, to the first waterfall. Round trip, it's probably gonna be about 4.7 miles. I've been lifting weights lately, so I'm in pretty good shape as far as lifting is concerned, but as far as my cardio, it's not that good. So this is probably going to be pretty miserable for me. My dad's right here. He's in a lot better shape than I am as far as cardio goes. Try to give you guys some updates. Basically, about the halfway point, we're going to see Bell Canyon Reservoir. It's a little lake, pond, whatever you want to call it. And after that, it's when it gets really difficult. We're going to run over a bridge, and it's going to be really steep. We're gonna come up to this beautiful waterfall, the great view. Here's our starting view. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy our little adventure. Bye. So we made it up here pretty much by the reservoir area. So far we're 16 minutes in. My heart rate's been at about 180. We're in 300 calories in about 16 minutes. It's just crazy. I'm feeling good. Let me show you guys a quick view of everything.
Yeah. When you have a houseboat, the lake paddle is the best.
It's pretty amazing. Take a look. Isn't that awesome? Anyways, next part of our journey should only take us about probably 5 minutes or so. So we're gonna run through this little forest, and then we're gonna come out in this area where there's a stream and a little bridge, and it's all covered in shade, and it's all pretty and shit. And I'm gonna show you guys. Hopefully I don't die by then. I'm actually doing pretty good. Not as bad as I thought. Got my backpack strapped in. Gonna catch up to my dad real quick. And then we'll probably do another run. Well, I'm catching up to him, maybe an update. Currently weighing, kind of see the abs a little bit, maybe. I don't know if the lighting's good, I can't tell. About 201.8 I think it was this morning. Got about 4 or 5 more days to reach 200. I think I can get there. And then from that point forward, I'm gonna be posting those videos that I mentioned in some of my other videos. Basically documenting my progress going from 200 down to about 190. And then 190 to 180. We'll see how low I wanna get. The goal is single digit body fat. Currently at 15.5, I think. Anyways, here's my dad. Trying to keep up with him. Tune in a couple minutes. Bye. I'm gonna do a little short burst of speed now to run through this beautiful area. My dad behind me. Watch out.
Hey!
Look at that chest. Huh? It's all muscle. 60 years old. Nice work. Something pretty cool. We just found a squirrel. My dad's trying to get it to come to him.
Ja tebe volim, aha. Pa ja.
DJ Ishmael. I'm telling him to get a little bit closer.
Ma ja tebe volim, ja tebe volim. Ma dođi ti pile moje malo. Ma pile moje.
That's pretty cool. Anyways, keep running.
5, ono gore, 6. Pogledaj.
6. I don't know if they're eagles or falcons. If someone is a specialist, if they could correct me. Take a look at them. My dad thinks they're probably hunting. Here's another update. We made it to the river and to the bridge that I was telling you about. There it is. Ovo ja snimam za fitness. Snimam sve video treninga i ovako ga vidim negdje što trpi. Imaš ti kakav savjet za one koji vježbaju, dižu žegove i tako?
Imam.
So basically I'm asking my dad if he has any advice, because he works out a lot. I'm asking if he has any advice for your fitness.
Trebaju i ovo da urade ponekad.
He thinks they should be able to do this sometimes too.
Makar 2 puta sedmično.
Be able to go out in the wilderness a couple of times a week.
Makar 1 put do 2 puta sedmično po 1000 sklekova za sat.
And he's also talking about he should be able to do a couple of times a week.
I trbušnjaka po 1000.
Maybe 1,000 push-ups or 1,000 sit-ups a week.
Jer da bi bio kompletan fizici ne može samo pratiti jedan dio.
You can't just train one part of your body. You gotta train it all, your cardio, push-ups, sit-ups.
Nauči organizam u toku sedmice i na sklekove, i na trbušnjake, i na planinu, i na fitness, i na
Teach
sve.
your body to do cardio, push-ups, sit-ups, all sorts of different exercises.
To je to.
That's it. Good message. Listen up, people. Another quick update. Probably about half a mile left or so. Just in the middle of the forest. Let's keep going. I'm gonna slow down to a crawl now. I don't know if you can tell. Probably not because the angle's all weird. But this is super steep. Maybe it's a better perspective if I point uphill. And the rest of the way is like this. Once again, Bell's Canyon, first waterfall. Me and my dad, we ran most of the way up. Now I can't even stand up straight. It's all good though. Making progress. So here we are, we made it to the waterfall. I'm trying to record a video as I go down this little steep area. Oh yeah, it's basically right there. Sorry, I know it's bad footage, but I'm trying not to fall. I'm coming down here. try to keep going. So here I am on the side of the waterfall. Now we're gonna try to climb up to the top of it. And it's a pretty crazy climb. I've got water running between my legs. So this is extra daring that I'm trying to film and climb. Here's my dad. Stop. Oh, almost there. Here we are. Wow. This is unbelievable. I'm literally right at the top of the waterfall. Oh, shit, never mind. There's another section. But yeah. This is pretty scary right here. Let's keep going. Get all the way to the top. We made it. At the top of a waterfall. Without saying, not that many people come up here. So that's the waterfall right there. Goes bam. I'll show you guys the view from down below in just a minute or two. We made it. Woo! Here's my dad. Right on the side of the waterfall. Made it all the way up to the top. There's the waterfall, there's my dad. We have a beautiful view. Give you guys a 360. Here's my dad flirting with some two girls that are sitting right there. Amazing. Here we are. We made it back down to almost the bottom. My sister, my mom, and cousin, I don't know where they are. They kind of went up to the halfway point. They were walking, we were running, so they were waiting for us. And now there's a deer, and I'm gonna try to get close to it. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's literally right there. And it ran away. Anyway, our adventure is almost over. I'll tune in, or you'll tune in. I'll give you a follow-up video right at the bottom. Bye. Here we are. We made it all the way down to the bottom. Burned a total of, I don't know if you can see that, 28 calories in about 2 hours and 44 minutes. And now my sisters are jumping in the video. They,
We did it
No,
too.
baby.
they did something like
Yeah.
that. Anyways, we're out. See you guys next week.
Wait, let's see.